Hey there, I got a question for you. Are you looking to become a travel agent from home? Or are you that person that everybody goes to when it's time to take vacations? Or maybe you're just that person that loves to travel and is always looking for a good deal. Well, coming up in this video, I'm going to be showing you this do-it-yourself travel business education so you can book more vacations and also earn 70 to 80% of the commission from all of the vacations that you're booking coming up in 2020. So let's get right into the video. All right, everyone, my name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis from Jarrett-JamalDavis.com, and on this channel, I create videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies to help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So let's go ahead and get into today's topic where I'll be discussing this do-it-yourself travel business education so you can go ahead and continue to book those vacations, but now you'll be able to earn 70 to 80% of the commission from every vacation that you book. So for today's video, I'm actually going to jump over to my computer screen and show you all of the education that you can get if you decide to become a travel agent from home. So let's go ahead and jump right over to my computer screen. All right, guys. So again, like I said, my name is Jared, and this is actually going to be the dashboard for your travel business. So what I want to do in this video is just basically show you the education that you can get so you can become a travel professional from home and continue to earn commission from the vacations that you are already booking. So the first things first, when you get right into your dashboard, you'll actually see that you'll be able to personalize your own website here. That way you can send this website to your friends, your family, your clients, and anything that they book on your personalized agent website, you'll actually earn commissions from. So it's no work. Also, you'll have access to this commission report. So you'll always know how much money you're supposed to be getting paid. You'll always know what has been booked because your commission report here will track all of those transactions for you. You also have a customer management system here. And this customer management system is a great system because it holds all of your clients' information. And they also send out great deals for you. And for those people who like to get started fast, there's a quick start guide here that'll show you the top 10 things that you need to be doing when you get started with this opportunity. Next here, up under the quick links, you have an agent training manual because not only do we want you to get access to this information and get started, we want you to know exactly how to use the information that you have now. So not only can you book more vacations, but so you can earn higher commissions. Other than that, you're going to see the customer profile form, which is just a form that will allow you to get all of the information from a client so you'll know what information you need to go look up those vacation quotes. So getting more information such as the destination they want to go to, how many days, what type of star rating would they like on a hotel, flight, cruise, all of that information will be in this form. The credit card authorization is self-explanatory. You will be working with clients, so you want to have them sign this authorization form, just authorizing you to use their credit card when they're making their down payments or their payments on their vacation. We also have an insurance waiver form for people who, if they don't want travel insurance, they have to sign this form, just making sure that they know that they're responsible for anything that happens. And we also have a print shop, guys, that I'll be showing you in just a second. So right here, what you're looking at is a booking engine that you can use on day one. And anything you book in this booking engine, cars, cruises, flights, hotels, activities, everything you see here, you will be able to earn a commission from it. So right here, this top agent challenge is just showing you some of our business partners because people always want to know, can I make money in travel? And the answer is yes. Guys, people are making great money in the travel industry. These people are on this top list because these are some of our business partners across the country, and they are booking vacations and earning high commissions, guys. So the possibilities are limitless with this travel business, as long as you are willing to not only get started, but to go through the training, use what you implement, use what you learn in the training, and continue to get better and better and better. You will start to earn high commissions and earn these type of incomes, guys. But of course, we can't guarantee this income, and we can't guarantee that you'll make this type of money. All we can guarantee is that you will be provided with the information needed to run a successful travel business. So other than that, guys, I'm going to come back up here, and the next thing I actually want to show you is the book travel tab. So when we go to the book travel tab, you're going to come over here, and this will just show you that you can book hotels, flights, cars, cruises, vacation rentals. We have preferred partners that we work with. There are vacation packages. If you want to get access to your passport and visas, we have that information here. VIP partner exclusives, and of course, the hot deals. So let me go ahead and jump over to these hot deals. And guys, what I want you to understand is you can sell these to your clients right off the back. You can take advantage of them, guys. As you can see, 50% off required deposit for a Disney cruise line, guys. Who wouldn't want to take advantage of that? Or what about saving $200 instantly on a Bahama Paradise cruise? Guys, like I say, I mean, this is the travel industry. People love to take these vacations. And hey, if you're already booking those vacations, you might as well get paid as an agent. All right, the next thing I want to show you guys is actually your marketing tools. So actually, if you come down to my agency, you scroll over to marketing and sales tools, you'll see we have an amazing array of things that you can market your business with. So if you scroll down here, the print shop shows you that you can do business cards, card magnets, letterheads, banners, jackets, t-shirts. Sky's the limit, guys. Inside of this marketing area, that'll show you all of the tools that you need to market your business. So the next thing I want to show you actually is going to be the agent only fam trips. Now, I'm not going to show you everything in here because again, these are for travel agents only. But I guess I'll give you a glimpse. So if I scroll down here, you'll see this right here. A Royal Caribbean friends and family rate trip, multiple departures between December 2019 to July 2020. And guys, the rates that they have for these cruises are heavily discounted for travel agents, because when we talk about fam trips, this basically represents familiarization trips, meaning that the vendors want you as a travel agent to come out there, experience their properties, get well educated on the properties so you can have more information, so you can sell these trips to your clients. So they basically have these heavily discounted trips. As you can see, Ovation of the Seas fam for $499, guys. So definitely something you would love to take a part of as a travel agent. Get more information on those trips, have a great time, and then come back home and sell those vacations to your clients. All right, so the next thing I actually want to show you is the Inteletravel University. Let's talk about that education, guys. So when we come over here to the Inteletravel University, what you're going to get access to is the Inteletravel Online Academy training videos, guys. And this information here is basically going to show you how to market and sell these travel deals, how to book and earn commissions, guys, and how to stay compliant when running your own travel business from home. It's going to teach you all of the things, all of the trips and the trades that you need to know to run your successful business. And you also will get an Inteletravel Academy certification, certifying you as a travel agent once you complete this training. Other than that, if we scroll back up, let's go to the Inteletravel library. So the reason why I love this Inteletravel library, guys, is because there is always ongoing training from this company, no matter whether it's from Inteletravel or the vendors. But Inteletravel has these agent support webinars in the background that they always do on Fridays, and it gives you more information to book more vacations, to become a better travel agent, to be more well versed in those travel deals that you're actually putting out there. And we also have training from suppliers such as Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, Princess. And you can take these trainings whenever you have time, because these trainings are on demand. So you can come here when you have time. You can look at these trainings, learn more information, and be able to go ahead and book more trips. Other than that, this last tab I want to show you is the partner education tab, because a lot of people want to know, can I just specialize in certain types of travel? I don't want to book everything. I don't want to specialize in everything. I only want to specialize in certain fields of travel. So what I want you to understand is there's more education in this back office, because we're affiliated with a lot of travel vendors. Their supplier courses, special interest courses, destination specialists. I'll go ahead and click on that one. So guys, if you're looking at the Travel Institute, the Disney College of Knowledge, guys, Brazil specialist, become an Israel specialist. I mean, just to name a few, guys, you can get access to all of that information, guys. So like I say, I mean, the sky's is limit when it comes to becoming a travel agent and owning your own travel business from home. Um, you just have to take it one step at a time, guys. So with that being said, I'm going to jump out of my screen here. And yes, guys, I thank you for taking the time to look at that information. And, if you got value from today's video, make sure you comment and like the video. Because again, we just want to share this information. So if you are looking to become a travel agent from home, you'll know what type of access that you're trying to get. Now, if you would like more information on Inteletravel and how you can get started in owning your own travel business from home, make sure you click that link in the bio or go to www.becometheagent.com. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask those questions. But other than that, guys, I hope you have an amazing day on purpose. So take care, take charge, and I'll see you in another video.